What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And then this one, I'm going to be going through an indices setup for you guys that like your indices and everything like that. I'm going to be going over a JR30 buy that I caught. Let's hop straight into this breakdown, full breakdown. So first things first, as we can see here, elephant in the room. This hasn't hit my final TP. Reason why I'm obviously doing this breakdown for you guys is because I'm out of this trade right now. I was out of this trade yesterday at around the levels that we're at right now. Reason for that is because we had FOMC. So I wanted to get out before FOMC, you know, just in case whatever they said, whatever happens, obviously pushed it the way that I didn't want it to go. So I was out at this level here. How many points? Around 120 points shy of the final TP there, right? But as you can see, really nice plain sailing setup. But let's go into why I found this setup and how, obviously, I entered this. So, first things first. As we can see here, on the 4 hour, we have this really nice trend line that we respect on the way through here. Respects all the way through both sides. We had a sell-off, profit-taking phase around this area. Go to the 1 hour now. Then as you can see, we started to creep back up as rate bet cuts are starting to now get priced in by, obviously, indexes. So this is all being priced in right here, as you can see. We got the break of this level. We came back down, rejected this level. So I have seen that we have potentially another trend line coming through here. I've created myself a cross trend. And then as you can see, coming down, rejecting this level again, down here at the 23430.7 areas is a really, really big rejection point, support and resistance, as you can see. We reject, obviously here, we've got the wick literally straight off that level, grabbing that liquidity. We've come up, we've got the break, close this level. I am in at this level here. Let me grab the circle tool. As you can see, I'm in at this level here for buys. As you can see, we consolidate in this area a little bit. Then we get a push back down to entry. Then we get that push up. And then at this level here, 23,914, I took half my trade off the table. And this trade from then on is running completely risk-free. And as you can see, we got a nice push up where I have taken full profit at this area here just before FOMC hit around 130 points shy of that final TP. And as you guys can see, that final TP is up here. Looking at the left here, we do get some big resistance at this point. So I just wanted to get up, as you can see up there. So we've actually broken out of this trend here as well, but then we've come back out and we are back in this level now. Obviously, this trade is completely done, so I can take this off. And let me leave this arrow here and I'll show you exactly kind of how we played out from the replay tool. So let's grab the replay tool. Let's put this around here of where I was looking at. As you can see, we're back under this level now. I saw that we got the rejection off of this point, 23,430 areas. Big level over here. We're back up this trend line. So I wanted it to break back above this trend line, back above this zone. It'll break the EMAs as well. So let's play this and see how it plays out. As you can see here, we've got the break. Come up, break and close. I am in on this candle here to the upside. Stop loss break of this level. As you can see, this last low at the 430 points. And then we get a nice consolidation. Never really in drawdown on this trade ever. As you can see, took its sweet time, but then we did get that nice push to that TP1 level. Took half off the table here at TP1 and left the rest running completely risk-free. So we are risk-free from this point, letting Jer do whatever she wants to do. As you can see, very slow incline. Obviously to the upside there, and then at around these levels, as I showed you guys, after this plays out, I took the trade out around this level here just before FOMC news release to obviously bank on the trade. This trend was following nicely, but then we have got the break more recently. Obviously this doesn't matter because we're out the trade right now and that sort of thing. So really nice Plain sailing trade there, as you can see, purely using price action and main zones on this area, which is obviously great. Now heading over to the market terminal, as you can see here, if we go to the DAX, I was out of this trade yesterday. So yesterday I was recording this, and obviously we were still showing slightly bullish and bullish on this chart. But let this load up, and we're going to go through. As you can see, all of the fundamentals lining up absolutely perfectly as well. And obviously using the amazing market platform, we can see exactly why we're heading to this level. The German factory order surprise to the upside, boosting cyclical sentiment. German pension reform progress seen as supportive for local equities. Fed December 25 basis point cut, widely priced. Ease in global financial conditions. All the reasons to support the buys and what could change the bias to go obviously to the downside. But as you can see, we are looking bullish on this pair. So all fundamentals absolutely fantastic on point. All technicals fantastic and on point as well. And voila, what'd you expect? We hit the target that we needed to and out, but obviously before FOMC hit and everything like that. So big thanks to the market platform again. If you guys aren't using this platform, you are literally nerfing yourself as a trader. Like having all of this data in front of us at a click of a button is just absolutely a dream come true, to be fair. Having all of this stuff here, you know, we can have a look on here and see why. Click on the brain icon. What's gonna affect this to get to this bullish target, and everything like that. Just all the data that you need, all in front. Look, it's just giving you all the data that you need to tell you what you need to happen so the price can head up to these levels. Absolutely fantastic. Make sure you guys use this. It's going to be code DAN10 for discount on here. So if you guys don't have this yet, you can get yourself some money off, which is obviously great. But as you guys can see, nice plain sailing trade, profit will be on the screen somewhere. If you guys are struggling with a strategy that's, you know, fits around your lifestyle, you're not quite sure what works for you, you feel like you're going around in circles, then reach out to me over in the description. We can create a custom full game plan for you to fit around your specific lifestyle and how to use the price action strategy. As you see, hit me review week in and week out. If you guys want to see these trades and be involved in these trades with me, I have a completely free group. Again, link to that is in the description. Completely free access. Click on the link, it will put you right in and you can see everything, all my analysis, obviously how to follow it. You can catch these trades with me live, and obviously grow when I grow, right? And yeah, but other than that, guys, any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or reach out to me over on Instagram. And I look forward to the next trade. Keep that risk management, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.